Revitalization of an old cement factory in Shanghai. Gate M, West Bund Dream Center. Imagine breathing new life into a hulking old cement factory, transforming it from a symbol of heavy industry into a vibrant spot for culture and fun. That's the story of the Gate M West Bund Dream Center in Shanghai. This isn't just any renovation. It's a bold move that shows how we can repurpose forgotten industrial spaces to create something everyone can enjoy. Stick around, and you'll see how this project blends history with modernity in ways that might surprise you. Let's start with the backstory. What used to be the Shanghai Cement Works, once Asia's biggest of its kind, sat idle for years until the Expo 2010 event sparked a major change. That global exhibition opened up the Huangpu River waterfront to the public for the first time, setting the stage for this transformation. Before the work began, the site was a mix of old industrial buildings and some half-finished structures from plans that never panned out. Enter the architects at MVRDV, who crafted the master plan for the whole area. Think of a master plan as a big-picture blueprint that coordinates everything, like how a conductor guides an orchestra. MVRDV handled the southern section, including the standout M Factory building, while other firms like Atelier Deschaux designed the commercial parts up north, and Schmidt-Hummer-Lassen created the West Bund Dome Art Center. Oh, and don't forget the new Shanghai West Bund Theater, which added even more cultural flair. Now, one of the coolest aspects of this project was the focus on heritage conservation. That's basically saving and repurposing old buildings instead of tearing them down. This approach isn't just about being nostalgic. It cuts down on waste and helps the environment by reducing CO2 emissions. For example, by reusing materials from the existing structures, the team avoided the carbon footprint that comes with manufacturing new ones, which is a win for sustainability. Jacob van Rijs, a co-founder of MVRDV, put it simply. They saw the value in these buildings and didn't want to demolish them for convenience. In the redesign, the newer additions play a supporting role, while the original post-industrial giants steal the show. Take the preserved silos and production halls. They've been given fresh purposes, like turning a silo into a climbing center where people can scale walls and enjoy the thrill of adventure. Then there are those eye-catching orange staircases and elevators that not only add a pop of color, but also make the space more accessible and fun to navigate. But here's where it gets controversial. While preserving history is great, some critics argue that adapting old buildings can limit flexibility for future needs. For instance, retrofitting a former conveyor belt into a staircase is clever, but it might not be as efficient as starting from scratch in a fast-changing world. Still, in this case, the M Factory's ground floor now hosts the Blue Market, which is essentially a lively mix of a food market and dining area. Imagine grabbing fresh produce and then sitting down for a meal all in one spot. Upstairs, there's a column-free multi-purpose space perfect for art shows or concerts, connected by that repurposed staircase. And this is the part most people miss. These changes aren't just cosmetic. They're about creating inclusive public spaces that foster community. Moving beyond the buildings, the project also tackled the surrounding area by finishing off some unfinished developments and turning them into spots for shops, restaurants, and hotels. The landscape design, handled by field operations, added greenery on rooftops and terraces, making the whole place feel like an urban oasis. With its prime spot along the water, this location now draws people in for relaxation and events. Gate M has become a hit, offering a wide range of activities from cultural performances to casual hangouts. And it's even snagged awards like the China Urban Renewal Annual Award. The M Factory's unique shape isn't just aesthetic. It's become a stage for all sorts of events, proving that good design can be both functional and iconic. This project fits into a bigger global trend, where old industrial sites are being reborn as vibrant community hubs. Cities everywhere, from New York to Berlin, are doing similar things, turning factories into art spaces or warehouses into trendy neighborhoods. It's all about adapting to modern life while respecting the past. But not everyone agrees on the best approach. Some say these transformations can gentrify areas and push out original residents. What do you think? Is repurposing old sites like this the ultimate way to build sustainable cities? Or should we be more radical in our urban planning? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation. From cement giant to party paradise, Shanghai's wild transformation. Imagine transforming a sprawling industrial wasteland into a vibrant hub of culture and leisure. That's exactly what happened in Shanghai, where Asia's largest cement factory has been reborn as a chic and inviting district. This isn't just a story of urban renewal. It's a testament to innovative design and sustainable practices. The 45,000 square meter Gate M Dream Center, masterminded by Dutch architects MVRDV, has turned the old, imposing structures of the former cement factory into a dynamic space for entertainment and relaxation along the Huangpu River. But here's where it gets controversial. The project didn't just demolish the old buildings, it repurposed them, including unfinished structures from a previous failed development. This approach not only preserves the site's history, but also reduces carbon emissions and waste. Jacob van Rijs, the founder of MVRDV, explains, "It was clear from the start that there was a lot of value left in the buildings that were already there. We didn't want to demolish things just because it might be simpler, because that means more carbon, more waste. The challenge was to integrate these disparate elements into a cohesive whole. MVRDV achieved this by using the newer buildings as a backdrop, allowing the industrial giants to stand out as focal points. The M Factory, for instance, will feature a bustling food market and restaurant on the ground floor, while the upper floor will be a column-free cultural space. Old silos will be transformed into a rock climbing center, and unfinished new buildings will house shops, restaurants, and hotels, complete with green roofs and outdoor terraces. A skate park will also be part of the mix. The entire area is connected through bright orange circulation elements, such as the M Factory's former conveyor belt, now an orange staircase. Other architects, like Schmidt Hammer-Lassen and Atelier Dessauss, contributed to the development, adding the West Bund Dome Art Center and a Shanghai West Bund Theater, as well as commercial buildings. And this is the part most people miss. The transformation of this industrial zone into a leisure district isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a sustainable and vibrant community. By repurposing old structures, the project minimizes environmental impact and maximizes the use of existing resources. This approach raises an important question. Should more urban renewal projects prioritize sustainability and historical preservation over demolition and new construction? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Gate M West Bund Dream Center, MVRDV's sustainable transformation of a former cement factory. Bold transformations can redefine a city's identity, and the Gate M West Bund Dream Center by MVRDV is a prime example of this bold approach. Imagine an old cement factory reborn as a dynamic culture and leisure district. This project reshapes not only the physical space, but the very spirit of Shanghai's West Bund, enriching it with an eclectic mix of art, sports, and social life. At its core, the design intertwines buildings from various eras into one cohesive urban environment. By reusing these existing structures, the architects not only preserve a piece of history, but also dramatically reduce carbon emissions. And here's where it gets controversial. The striking use of bright orange circulation paths gives the complex a distinctive identity, which some might argue is a bold fusion of the old and new. Covering an impressive 45,000 square meters and set to open in 2025, this revitalized space promises a myriad of activities. From shopping, dining, and enjoying a drink, to skateboarding, rock climbing, and exploring innovative exhibitions and events. Even if you're just looking to unwind by the riverside, the Dream Center offers a perfect spot to relax. This multifaceted environment has quickly earned accolades, becoming a celebrated destination among both local residents and visitors. One of the most fascinating aspects is how the project seamlessly melds historical industrial elements with contemporary urban needs. It sparks a dialogue on sustainability and creativity in adaptive reuse, inviting us to consider, can the preservation of old structures truly drive forward modern urban innovation? What do you think about blending heritage with high-energy cultural experiences? Share your views. Let's discuss whether this is a brilliant reinvention or a daring mistake.